Hi everyone, once again welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to see how to set up the GitHub Actions self-hosted runner. This is basically an Amazon website clone project, and this is basically we are doing the self-hosted in my EC2 machine, own EC2 machine. If you like to do the project the same thing, you can go with the manage host runner. This video is available in my YouTube channel. You can go through it, my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube ID, DevOps Harish and Shetty. And if you find difficulty in here, means you can go through my YouTube website here. This is the website address, harishanshetty.github.io. Here you can see in the left side, click on the projects. You can see the number of projects available in my website link, and you can filter it out what you like to watch. And here in the, if you select the DevSecOps, here you can find the GitHub Actions Manage Host Runner. The second video I'm going to upload in future. You can watch it now afterwards. And let's start with this self-hosted runner in the EC2 instance. First we have to set up the security groups in the AWS console. Move to your AWS console management, and here you can see in the left side, click on the security groups. Click on the create security group. Here what we have to do means give the name first, GitHub Actions, allowed SSH and HTTP and Sonar. Yeah, done. And here I'm going with the default VPC because I'm not going to create any customized VPC. That's why here click on the inbound rules, type SSH and add rows again, and HTTP. Sorry. And here one more add. Here the SonarQube is not listed here. That's why we are going to give 9000. Why means here the SonarQube port will work on the 9000. That's why. Okay. Once you done everything, here we have to keep in mind. I am going to give for the anywhere. For the project purpose, I am just going with the public. Once you done everything, click on the create security group. Now the security group is created. Come back to your instance. Make sure there is no instance here. Yeah, click on the launch instance on the right side. In the name, GitHub Action. And in the image, I am going to select the Ubuntu. Why means my project basically work on the Ubuntu command. That's why I'm going to select it. Don't select the CentOS or Amazon Linux. It won't work. Here you have to select the T2 medium. Why means we are running the SonarQube container and as well as the project container. That's why I'm selecting the existing key pair. If you don't have a key pair, you can go with this option. The security network settings are going with the same, and click on the existing security group and select within the few seconds we created that security group. And in the configuration storage, I'm going to give 15 GB. Why? Because I am running the Docker containers, right? That's why I'm giving the 15 GB. Once you're done, click on the launch instance. Yeah, done. Is going to create. What we have to do next, we have to install some common packages in that EC2 machine. Yeah, is get started and connect to the EC2 instance. Yep, connected. What we have to do now, we have to install some common packages, right? Just copy and paste it here. done, and reload the bash completion, done. And here I am going to again installing the git for the safety purpose. Okay, here we are going to installing the Docker. Before installing, go with the official documentation. Don't just blindly copy paste all the commands here. Here you can see based on your architecture you can install it. The same command is right now, in the future it may change. That's why I'm saying go with the official documentation every time. Adding the Docker keys now, done, and updating the system. Done. Now we are going to installing the Docker related packages. Yeah, done. Here keep it, see here I'm going to see the what are the containers is running or not. Here I am getting a error message, permission denied. Why means this user is not have a permission to see the what are the things is going on the Docker. That's why we have to do Docker, where it is, okay, sudo user mode -ag Docker user new group Docker. See, now we have access of the Docker related commands. So this command will going to add the current user to the Docker group, and this command is going to reload your Docker group. Okay, after the reloading of your Docker group we got an access. That is the message. So here only I have given, you can directly copy paste it and check the Docker is working or not. Yeah, is working. And move on to the next step is we are going to installing the Trivy. Why means here in the image you can see we are going to scanning the current workspace of the file, and the image also we are scanning the Docker image by using the Trivy. That's why we are going to installing the Trivy. Okay, here also same thing, go with the official documentation. If you feel bad, you can just go with the official documentation. Here you can see I'm just going with the default one, not default, what the repo have in my command. And we have to run the container of the SonarQube. Yeah, done. This one is done. Let's start the container of the SonarQube. Is going to downloading. Yeah, it's done. Docker ps running, Docker images. Only one image is there in my local EC2 instance. Let's try to access from the web. Copy the public IP and move to the console web viewer and type the 9000 port. We successfully accessing here SonarQube. So it's taking time. Let's move to the next one. So we are going to installing the NPM, because installing we are using to install the dependencies of the project and scanning the vulnerabilities via using the Trivy. Okay, let's copy paste it. In future go with the latest one. Here I am going to later installing the 22 NVM, so that's why in the future go with these commands. It's going to change in this official website. That's why I'm saying yeah, is installed. NPM also installed. Move on to the next. We have to take up all the steps here. We have to take up all the tokens and passwords about this. And first, what we have to do first, before moving on this email section and the Docker, first we will set up the Docker SonarQubes. Okay, come here, and the username is admin, password also same, admin. Click on the login. Old password is admin, and new password 123 I am giving. In the production, don't give like this. Done. And here you can see there is some options are there, so you have to select the manual here. And in the project display name, I'm going with the Amazon. In the project key also same, you have to keep it same. Yeah, otherwise you can give any name. And the branch, what is the branch name? Is the main branch. And click on the setup once you're done. Here you can see the some of the favorite CIs. So I'm selecting the with GitHub Actions. Click on this option. You will get some secrets and settings you have to do in the GitHub remote website. So first they copy this one and come back to your repo. Just fork this repo, okay, and click on the settings here. In the left side you can see the secrets and variable. In the last third option you can see, and select the actions, okay. And here you can see like this dashboard. Click on the new secrets, new repository secret. In the name, click on the Sonar token, and what was this token is generate and generate. Just copy this token, just copy it in the notepad for the safety purpose. Click on the continue and move over here where it is. Yeah, in the secret just paste it here. Click on the add secrets. Yeah, we have add on the Sonar tokens here in the secrets. And what we have to do, we have to add the Sonar host URL also, same thing. I'm just recommending to store the things in the notepad firstly, because it will easy in the future. That's why. What we have to do, new, same thing what we've done, same thing, new repository secret. And what is the name, see, same thing, name and the value, add secrets. Done. And what we have to do, once you're done, click on the continue. Here they're saying some what option best describes your build. My project is based on the node, that's why I'm selecting here. And we have to create one of the file in the repository, so that's why we have to create this file. Create a file of sonar project dot properties. Click on this and come here. This is the project, right? One second, I'm going to deleting it. I will come. First, let's clone the repository in the local machine. Copy the link and git clone. See, this is the plain repository project. Here we have to create this file. Copy it, and I'm going to create. You can do it in the remote also, not an issue. Paste it, and here they're giving the some value. Just copy this one, this key, and paste it in your file. Save it. We done. And they given the some workflow here. Create or update your .github workflows build YAML file. So what I'm going to do now, just copy this thing first and paste it in your notepad. Okay, we done. We are not going to apply in this thing. Okay, this step is same have in my customized step buildings, so we will do it afterwards. Just paste it in the notepad for the safety, and come back to in the remote and finish this tutorial. Yeah, done. Is waiting for the analysis, and move on to the in the repo. Here what we have to do, click on the actions. Okay, click on the Docker image. You can select what you like. Click on the configure. Here they're saying building the image. So what you do, click on this self managed and copy this all these steps and paste it here. Okay, once it's done, commit changes, first commit dot, okay, and click on the commit changes. Done. Click on the actions here, build and deploy. Here you can see when you commit the first first file is going to build in automatically. It may go failed. Why means we gave on the self-hosted, not the managed host. It fails. Okay, we gave on here it will runs only on the self-host machine, so it will not going to execute here. Just cancel the workflow and move back here. Here you can see the GitHub/workflow is created in the main branch. This is the directory, and inside the directory you can see the Docker image is created, and this is the customized build setup. Just pull the remote repo to the local, git pull, yeah, done. Here you can see we got a file. What I am going to do, I am renaming it to main. Done. Just save it. Again add git commit push. Done. Yeah, we done the one step here. The file is name changed, and move back to the readme file. We install the Trivy, right? Yeah, Trivy is installed, maybe not, maybe the command. Yeah, Trivy is installed perfectly. The Sonar also is running, NPM also installed. Now what we have to do, now we have to take up the email, app passwords and the Docker tokens. Okay, go to your Gmail here, click on the icon of your image and select the manage your Google accounts. In the search, type the app password. You will get like securities. Click on this option and it will ask the password. I am going to pause the video for the security purpose. Like this dashboard you will get. Here I am going to give GitHub action, give the name, app name, and click on the create. Here we will get some of the auto generated password and paste it in the notepad. Done. Remove this space here, just remove and move back to your repo, and here I'm selecting the ID, email username, and here email username is Arishan. In here your case you give your Gmail ID, not my mail ID, and copy this email pass. Okay, done. And one more thing we have to give, just copy this Docker username, the same thing, paste it. Done. Okay, now move on to the Docker Hub, where it is. Yeah, here you can see the right side, this click on this icon, and this is the your Docker ID, just copy it and paste it here. For the token, we have to, for the password we have to generate it. Click on the account settings in the same section. Okay, once you got this dashboard, in the left side you can see the personal access token. Click this option and you get like this dashboard. Click on the generate new token. In the name I am going to give GitHub action. Okay, in the expiration date I am going to give the 30 days, and access permission I am selecting the read, write, delete, and click on the generate. And this is the password, just copy it and paste it in your notepad. Why means I am just doing all the details collecting means in the, you can see in the steps, Sonar token we added in the secrets, right? The same ID we added in the secrets, and the Docker username. See, Docker username is here. You can observe Docker username, Docker password is the same thing we are adding in the secrets. The email section also same thing. Come back to the last section, email user and the email pass. That's why we are collecting this, all those things. And move back your repo, click on the settings, click on the secrets variables, click on the actions. We added the Sonar, right? So we have to add the email and the Docker related credentials. The secret name is let's do one by one. Here make sure don't give space here. If you given a space, it won't accept your secrets. If you are not getting a mail, means make sure you give on the correct mail ID. Okay, add. Docker username, your Docker ID. Okay, don't get confused here. Your Docker ID. The password is generated token password. Add secrets. Done. Just take a screenshot if you have a confusion, means this, all those things we have to configure in the repository secret. Okay, done. Move back to the code here, and I'm strictly saying you have to create this sonar project.properties in the repo, in the where you are executing the actions here. Here when I pull the data to the main branches, is automatically executing the steps. That's why I'm saying here, if you given the dev or something future branch like that, you have to mention it here. It's going to execute like that. Then we done everything, and we have to configure the self-hosted runner, right? Yeah, we done everything. And come back to your repo. Where is this is the repo. Click on the settings. Again, settings. Here you can see in the actions, click on the actions, you can see the two options, general and the runner. Click on the runner. One thing, you have to add the secrets in the secret variables actions. Afterwards we are running the steps in the self-hosted runner. That's why we have to select the actions and the runner. Here there is no runner is configured right now, so click on the new self-hosted runner. So my architecture is Linux, and based on your architecture you have to select, otherwise it won't work. So select based on your architecture. Okay, my architecture is x64, that's why I'm selecting this Linux. And if you are using the Windows, you can select it and do all the things what they given in this configuration steps. I'm selecting Linux and run the commands in one by one. Yeah, it's created the workspace in my Ubuntu machine, and downloaded file, checking the file, yeah, is okay, and extract the file. File also extracted, and they're saying configure. Just copy this command, do this stuff. This is not a customized what they're given, we are just copy pasting it. This is the token. Yeah, GitHub Actions Self-Hosted Runner registration, connected to GitHub Runner registration. Enter name of the runner group. I'm going with the default, just hit enter, and enter the name of the runner. I'm going with the default. Here you can give the name what you like. I am going with the self-hosted. You can give what you like. You can give your name or your organization like that. Hit enter. Runner successfully added. Okay, enter the workspace name. I'm going with the default one. Just hit enter. ls. Yeah, done. And what we have to do now, we have to run this command. Just copy this. It is there where it is. This script is going to run, connected to GitHub, and current version runner is 2.32 something they're saying, and running the job is build. Let's see, and move on to the actions. Here click on the actions, build, ML name changes, is not running where it is. Yeah, is running. You can see automatically they running the script step by step. This is done by the self-hosted. You can see in the by giving this self-hosted and the label, based on this label is going to executing the steps, and is going to, yeah, it depends. SonarQube is successfully done. Let's see, it is, we got the projects. Yeah, we got the project details. What are the things, code smells and vulnerabilities, everything we got it from the GitHub Actions. And more to the is installing the dependencies. Once is done, is going to scanning all the workspace file systems. Yeah, dependencies also installed. Scanning the files by using the Trivy. Yeah, the scanning also done, and is building the Docker image right now. Let's see, where is the Docker hub? Yeah, type Amazon. There is only one repository is present. This is one different project. Don't get confused. This is different project. We have to come in this my Docker hub ID. It should come the Amazon. Okay. Still now is not pushed. That's why is taking. Building Docker image done. Actually, it takes some time. You have to wait. Okay. Actually, I am done the multi-stage Docker. That's why means is going to save your hard disk space. If you do done the single Docker stage, is going to consume the lot of spaces. That's why I'm done the multi-stage. You can see up here, If you done the single stage, is going to occupy almost 1.5 GB. That's why I am giving this occupies only for the 50 MB. Okay, I'm going to pause the video. I will come back once it's done. Yeah, the build image was successfully done, and you can see the login was happened in the console, terminal console, and the image also just pushed from terminal to the Docker hub, and the image also scanned by using the Trivy, and the container also running. Let's check it. And scan report also sent a email notification. Let's go with your Gmail, and here you will get in this inbox folder only. But my case, I just filtered it out Amazon like that, so I'm just came with this filter label. Don't worry. And you can see we got a attachments also report. We got the report of the dependencies as well as the file scan systems. Everything we got the report, file scan system, and the image report also we got it. And you can see the build name and the description of the project name, and build and test of the workflow name, and runtime is 4. Based on the runtime, we got an email notification, and status is success. If you failed, we got also same message failed. We aborted also, we got a message email. And committed ID, this will get a committed, and who is triggered this project, that one also going to display. And if you click on this, view build is going to redirecting to the project workflow actions. Okay, this is step, and let's going to explore the container is working or not. And let's see, here you can see once the build is success, is going to show the message job build completed with result succeed. In the terminal we will get the message like this. If we failed, it's going to show the failed message. Okay, just copy the public address here and paste it in the web console. You can see we can able to access the application via the web browser by using the public IP. I am again saying just go with this YAML file, what we are doing in the all the steps, step by step you can go through it. You will get understand what we are doing and what are the things we are going to applying it here. And one more thing I am going to show in the Docker hub, where it is. Yeah, click on the Amazon, check Amazon. Yeah, Amazon. In the Amazon, here you can see the tag is 4. The current build is 4. That's why we given the tag 4 automatically. When again you build the this action, workflow action is going to give another document image. Okay, another document image to the tag of the name 5. This is the customized I just built a own. You can also do this same stuff. Everybody is doing the normal thing, just giving this same line. Just I am just improved the script for the production level purpose. So this is the thing we have to keep in mind. And what we have to do now, yeah, just cancel the build. Runner is closed. Docker images. Yeah, you can see here in the previous we got a tag of the 3 also. The image size is 57 MB because we using the Docker multi-stage building. That's why we got a less image size. If you done with the single image, single stage Docker image is going up to 1.5 GB. That's why I am saying use the Docker multi-stage build. Okay, and this is what was done. Docker PS is automatically running the container of your Amazon. with latest. See, this is Amazon 4. This is the latest build tag name, and with the latest image is going to executing running the container of the Amazon. Okay, we done the project of the self-hosted runner. If you like more and more projects related all those DevSecOps, AWS, you can go through my website here. This is the website. You can know, I will give it in the description box below. You can go through it, and the project, click on the project on the left side. You can see the number of projects here. You can also filter it out what you like to watch. And now I'm going to cleaning up all the details stuffs. Okay, this one will going to help for you guys, but I'm going to cleaning up. You can end up this video from here. Okay, no problem. First we have to delete the Gmail app password. Just delete it what you created. Yeah, we done. And one more, what you have to do, we have to delete the Docker token. It is personal token, and personal, click on here, click on these three settings, delete token. Yeah, we deleted. And what we have to take for next, this SonarQube is not necessary because we are running the containers inside the EC2 machines. No need to worry about this thing. And yeah, we done everything. Maybe, yeah, correct. And move back to your EC2 instance, refresh it. Once you've done the project, just select and delete the instance, otherwise you have to pay for it. Terminated, and click on these security groups. You can keep it, this will not going to charge, but just for cleaning purpose, it's going to delete after the deletion of the instance. No, not an issue. That will no going to charge for you guys. Okay, it's going to terminate after some time. Done, everything done. Okay. If you like this video, like and subscribe to the channel. Once again, thanks for watching the video.